Hey guys, Rusty here at Blue Robotics with an exciting new product designed and manufactured by our friends at Outland Technology. It's the Outland Technology Power Supply for the BlueROV2. The Outland Technology Power Supply allows you to power the BlueROV2 through the tether, eliminating the need for batteries and allowing you to operate indefinitely. The system provides up to 1,000 watts through the tether, enough to operate in currents or handle power-hungry payloads. To transfer power through a long tether efficiently, the system transmits power at 400 volts DC. That's enough to be dangerous to anyone who's exposed to it, but fortunately, Outland Technology knows what they're doing when it comes to safety. They've been designing high voltage power systems for 35 years, and they've gotten a stellar reputation when it comes to safety and reliability. Both ends of the power supply system have electrically isolated power supplies, and there's a line insulation monitor, also known as a ground fault interrupter, to detect current leakage. Overall, the system has a very safety-focused design. The system's made up of three main components: the topside power supply unit, the high power tether, and the ROV power supply enclosure. The topside unit is designed to be operated with the case lid open to provide airflow for cooling. I'll show you each of the components in here. Starting at the top is a hardwired ground connector. It comes with a cable, and we recommend installing that whenever possible to ensure a solid earth ground connection. Below that is the tether input, which uses a binder HEC connector bulkhead. Below that is the input power cable that plugs into any 100 to 240 volt AC wall outlet. Next is an auxiliary power outlet that you can use to charge your laptop while using it in the field. And last is an on-off switch for the power supply. In the middle here is a laptop shelf so that you can operate the power supply and ROV without too much table space. Most of the power supply is off limits for user access for safety reasons, but there's a dedicated user-accessible enclosure in the middle here. Inside is a FathomX tether interface board and a USB to Ethernet converter so that you can plug your laptop directly into this box without the need for an FXTI. There's also a spare twisted pair from the tether exposed for integration with a sonar or water-linked analog locator. And last, there's a status screen and test switch for the safety features. The switch toggles up and down, testing a high side and low side ground fault and giving you comfort that the safety features are working properly. The status display shows the ground fault history as well as the voltage and current coming from the supply. The tether cable is a special high-power tether with additional copper to handle the power transmission. On the topside end is a binder HEC connector, which connects to the topside power supply unit. And on the other end are two wet-mateable subsea connectors and a Kellum's grip strain relief to attach to the ROV. We have both 125 meter and 250 meter tether lengths available. The ROV power supply enclosure is a drop-in replacement for the battery enclosure on the BlueROV2. Inside are power supplies that convert 400 volt DC power to 15 volt DC power needed by the ROV. On the end is a pre-installed battery cable and signal cable with penetrators that connect to the ROV, as well as two subsea connector bulkheads that connect to the tether. When you put this all together, you've got an ROV that's powered through the tether. You can operate all day long, travel without batteries, and fight currents without affecting battery life. The Outland Technology Power Supply system is available now, and you can buy each of the individual components separately as well. Before you use it, we highly recommend that you read the user manual and fully understand the dangers of using high voltage power near water. When used properly, it's a powerful capability for the ROV. That's all we've got for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.